Alright, I'm a little bit angry. I recorded a run and I ran out of disk space. So I changed the file location to my drive. So now we have more space. Let's just get a normal run in. I'm Vanessa, as per usual. The only character I really play. Let's see what we can do. Been loving my burn runs recently. I mean, the run that I had just before was really, really great. Okay. I think we definitely want the bronze. Oh, 4 small silver though. That's a great start. Wow. Yeah. Like, let's go for a skill here as well. See what we get. That's pretty great. I'm not mad at that at all. I'll go Viper here. I mean, just a chance to get a Toxic Fang and then put the poison on it would be pretty cool. Grenade. Honestly, should I put it on the spider? Let's do it. We're gonna go Strange Mushroom here, just to get some gold. If we get a weapons shot, we'll go for items. Items should be good as well. That's really great, and we're gonna replace you now, just so we can reload the grenade. We'll reroll. I'm glad we did. That gives us value tomorrow, so we'll take the shovel as well. Okay.
I may be young for a captain, but I've seen my share of storms.
Sure hand. Oh, buddy, I got bad news. Icy. That's pretty cool. Oh, but the double scaling is interesting though. We're gonna do a lot of damage. Not fast enough. Yeah. I got one hit in. That's a really cool build though. Icy Brass Knuckles with the double damage feature. Put Obsidian on that. That's pretty cool. I wonder if that doubles the base, or if it doubles the original. I want to go for weapons here. And it's definitely going to be double barrel. And we'll take the switchblade as well. Love, we would love a weapons damage thing. Not looking for burn. That's pretty great. Now, we're going to do this. And we'll switch you for extra ammo, maybe. No, we're going to take the revolver out. No, we'll do that. Let's try this out. Not looking for a chum bucket. It's not our thing, I guess. Yeah, we'll go for the strange mushroom. Get some more gold going. And I'd say we just want to take the high roll on the XP. Junkyard Club was probably our best get here. We beat this guy pretty easily. 30% crit on the grenade is no joke. I think we crit with it like 4 times. Barbed wire, not what we're looking for. Definitely want to go convoy here, we're super strong. Yeah, I think we smoke the street gamer. They don't scale fast enough, I don't think. We just do way too much damage. See? 30%. It's no joke. It was interesting. Oh, we just want to go for a loot item. Crit is great. I think we're going to put it straight onto the grenade. Just to get a little bit of extra. See, now we can sub this back in. I'll put a little bit of scaling in as well. Which just works. This works well for us. This is a pretty typical early ammo build. I'm gonna go for a tiny furry monster here, because we've got a friend. So we get some extra XP. Alright, Kairikoro. Let's see how this guy goes. He's got weapons as well. think my weapons are way better than his. Make a bold prediction. Crit. Not big enough. And Powder Flask is slightly behind Whole Barrel right now. You could get an upgrade. And I only just realized that I was in the wrong spot. Crypto, interesting. Where do we get that from? Is that like a random drop that from an item that he has? Definitely want to take Starchart here just for the event. And then extra crit is always good. Don't care about silencer. I think I'm going to be doing multiple weapons. And yeah, definitely want to be upgrading our bronze items here. It's a big get. Upgrades everything in the stash as well. So you can see 0 and 10 now. And we'll just get some cooler items. Yeah, oh, we can definitely take Scout Trooper here. I'm confident. He does a lot of damage, but our damage is just astronomical. Like, we just do so much. Definitely want Uzi. Uzi's a great get. Don't have any bronze tier items, so we want skill. I'll take the crit. Base crit. It's just always good. Don't have any money, so I think definitely sell you. Let's get you in here. We want to put you just there. And then honestly, yo-yo scaling could be kind of cool, man. Let's try it out. You can go now and you can go now. Hold on to these guys just for crit. Question is, would we rather have 9 damage? I think we would prefer to have the crit. Do we fish for weapons? I say we do. Let's see what we can get. As always. Oh, that's a good ammo item. Don't care about the cannon. It's pretty terrible. Large items is good. Maybe get an early port here. Didn't get the port. That's okay. See how we go. Bolognese. One of my favorites. So, he's got the ammo build as well. Less damage than me though. I'm relatively confident. Very confident. Okay. My builds are just so strong. No one's got any health this patch. So you just kill people very, very quickly. Everything's just so easy to find as well. We can afford gumballs here. Oh, business card is great. That's good for late game. We're gonna sell hand axe here, and then everything else can stay. Yeah, I think we might just go for small items. We got a lot of them. We can get some upgrades. But we probably won't. Haste is cool. Do we want it? No. Fish for some medium items. There are some good ones we can get here. Definitely take wanted burster. Too many items we want to hold on to now. Let's get rid of the shovel. You could probably go as well. Everything else is kind of essential. As soon as we see a docks, we want to take it. Hellbilly is good here. Blood Refraider just kind of has more that we would want, I believe. Let's check. Blood Refraider, Powder Flask, don't care. Cannonball upgrade would be good. Revolver upgrade would be good. Ammo stash would be great. Versus Hellbilly. Upgraded version on left-handed, which we wouldn't be able to get. Yeah, it's definitely Blood Refraider here. We've already got the upgrade as well. So we've already got to level up. It's just completely fine. He does nothing. Mustache or Cannibal. Even Shield Potion would be nice, just for a little bit of survivability. Perfect. Can't ask for much more.
Another empty chest
Weapons.
waiting to be filled.
Perfect. I'm more than happy with that. Maybe allows us to get rid of Powder Horn later. I'm gonna say we want max health here. We should have the money for Curio, I don't think. And then yeah, Docs. We've got the star chart. It's just a great get. Alright, 2 wins, we're on 3. Rubus. Level 5 though. Although, I'm not sure. Apparently that's bugged still. Lifesteal. Ooh, see, this is where we could lose, but it is a cannon, so I'm not massively concerned. Although the crit burn that's deadly. Wow. Almost. The crit on the burn did a lot. Just not enough, just because we killed him too quickly. Definitely Docs. Don't really care about haste too much at the moment. Let's try and go for a pull, a soldier ammo. That's great. I would honestly probably replace revolver right now. Let's fish for some medium items. There are still some good ones you can get. Double barrel, figurehead. Figurehead? I'll take it.
Really gonna enjoy that.
I'm gonna get rid of Uzi and you. And we're gonna do that. I just don't think these guys are doing enough damage. Yeah. Alright, let's try this out. Docklines, great item. Not what we want. Printing Duelist. A lot of great items. A lot of good things that we really, really, really want. Just look at the crits. That was lucky, but like, very lucky crits, but we just kill them so quickly. Pistol Sword is probably the best thing we could have gotten. Definitely want to go Convoy here. Cutlass can just... we want it. But let's just go... get rid of you. Uzi can stay. I think you and maybe you have to go, or you. 3 max. I think we kill everyone before we get there. We want to go there as well, just so we get extra damage on every single use. We sell something though. You can go. Weapons would be nice, but I think we want to go for a temporary boost here, just to get some extra damage. We're very close to our upgrade here, which will go straight on the figurehead for the extra damage. Talon R&B. Perfect wins, like us. See what they got. I wonder. Okay. Shadow Cloak Cutlass, classic. With a lot of crit. So we'll see how we go, but I think our damage output might just be, yeah, way higher. What would we like? We're really just kind of waiting, but we get 2 XP here. So we'll get the upgrade. So we'll put that straight onto figurehead. And a large item here is good for us. We can maybe get port. We get gold port, which is what we want. I think we're going to... Docs is going to start going. I'm going to go for something else. And we can get better items now. Let's... Cannibal's too good. I think... Let's get port here. Is there anything we'd really want? See? This is why we hung on to it. Because now we can get 3 XP. Which which is really, really great. Just XP maxing. Definitely Enclave Weeper, just for the enchant. Not the enchant, sorry, the XP. Just because there's nothing else we would have really wanted from anyone, to be honest with you. It's got to be weapon skills here. Way more of a chance of getting something good, and we're going to reroll. It's kind of average. We'll just take the straight 15. See, we don't have a temporary boost here. We're still doing a lot of damage, which is really good for us. Business card got upgraded. Okay. I was wondering what that sound was. Keg could be good, but I just don't think it's what we're built for. See, Lockbox, I think needs to be improved. I think it's just, like, there's no chance in this getting anywhere near figurehead. It's just not good enough. Like, it 2 extra damage for every fight won. Don't have the star chart anymore, so we won't be able to get anything. We can fish for some small items. We don't really want anything large. Cove is a good bank. Grave shot is also good. It goes quite quickly. I'm willing to take a loss to try this. I just don't think we actually need the reload anymore. But let's see. I'll probably eat my words.
But I've seen my share of storms. You should know, I'm a bit of a legend on Polaris.
Yeah, so a lot of shield. We would have loved to have actually stayed. Yeah, he's just going to be going off constantly.
Next time,
Wow.
less blunder.
Okay.
More plunder.
I'd say we were relatively strong. Alright, yeah, we'll stick without the reload then, I think. We would love to get the ammo skill for damage. It's definitely going to be you as well. Just putting more damage on the pistol sword is kind of busted. It's just every single instance. A lot of skill upgrades we could want here. It's probably going to be strength. Don't want nesting doll. I'm willing to get rid of cannonball as well. Let's hold on to the flask for now. A little bit extra damage. We have no money. Definitely want to go Thokia for Bonk. Bonk would be great. Be happy with Junkyard Club as well. I don't know. Spices could be interesting. Everything does over 100 damage, so before we do that, we're just going to put some extra slow on you. I'm just going to go for a loot item here. Silver. Ooh, that doesn't do anything for us. We're gonna get rid of it. We don't have enough space. We're just gonna go for the non-weapon item, I think. Ooh, Shadow Cloak. Not a fit for us. But could have been if we got it earlier. Right, a lot of medium items we could want. So far, none. And none. That's okay. I think we're still super strong. We would love to get another max ammo. I'd feel a lot safer without having the reload if we had another max ammo on all of our items, but we'll see. Not enough shielding here. Ooh, the cooldown is going to be brutal though. Wow. I mean, let's see if we do enough damage, like now, but... Wow. It's a great counter. Had a lot of ammo on it as well. It's our first loss. I'm not furious. It was a kind of cool build. Uzi. That's a very quick item. I'm gonna swap it for you, I think. Bowls can go as well. This will just give us way more damage instances for this. And yeah, we want to fish for some medium items. Pistol sword upgrade is great. Definitely get it. We have some stuff to sell as well. I don't think we need it. I prefer to hang on to business card to get the extra XP. Would I? I wouldn't, actually. It's like we wanted poster. We're probably going to be winning a lot of our fights. Don't really care for hero merchants, we don't have money. GT is just a sell. I think we absolutely slaughter the dragon here. I mean, we don't crit huge, so we don't really care about Cosmic Rock. He's got a lot of health, but I'm not too worried. Yeah, like he's got so much health. Don't really want anything here. It's just gonna be something that gets sold. But nice to have the item. Heal here, don't care about. I want to enchant random on you. This will give us a little bit of like livability, I guess. Definitely want to go for skill upgrades here. It's probably going to be Keen Eye just because I don't want to spend that much money on 5 damage. Definitely temporary boost here. Let's see how we go. Going up against a world champ, I'm not confident. I think this is the actual one. Fiery double barrel. Similar build to us, but just not as much damage potential, I don't think. He doesn't have lifesteal either, so I think we rinse him. See, this build that I've got going now is something that I used to run all the time in like the previous 2 patches. Great skill. Exactly what we would want. Yeah, so like the last 2 patches I've been running this because I mean I always knew it was strong, but just because no one has any health. No health. So it's just become like a bit silly. Aquatic items, multicast, we don't really need it. Yeah, you guys can go. I'd love to get an upgrade for Vanessa's amulet here. It's kind of not doing anything. I think cooldown has to be cooldown on the double barrel. Definitely want to go for duelist here. It's just got some great items that we could use. Big ego, obviously being the main thing that we want. I'd love to get an upgraded version of that skill as well. Nothing really that we want. I still want to go items. I still want to get the upgrade for this guy. I'm going to spend that much money on random stuff. We've only got 3 days left. I don't think it's worth it. Definitely a loot item. Don't care for heal. We'll go here just for the XP, I think. We don't have the business card anymore, so we'd have to just get the 2. Alright, Miss Click. Powder Flask could probably go now. I think we are fully committed to this.
Go ahead, underestimate me. It makes this more fun.
See, lifesteal isn't what we want to see, because we want to kill them as quickly as possible. It does only have 3 multicast. It does scale a lot though. Yeah, so we lose here. Only just, but like we just get the result of these 2 basically as soon as double barrel rolls out. and the grenade. So, yeah. I want to take the damage, but like just trying to get this is just more valuable. Ammo items, we'll get one more crit. I could see us maybe replacing grenade and Vanessa's amulet. Gold tier items is good here. It wasn't. I'm lying. Don't care about either of you. We wouldn't mind getting the crit reload. No, sorry. The ammo crit chance. Obviously doing double damage would be really, really great. This is the item that got reworked. Haven't had a chance to use it yet. Our upgrade here is going to go straight to figurehead. I don't care about medium items anymore. We're just going to go for XP. Skill upgrades. It's more damage for the burst. This is a really hard choice. I want to go for Gunner. Just because I just think it just makes a bit more sense. Just so we can last, you know, a couple seconds longer. Because like it's hard for them to survive for that long. Toxic Submarine, it doesn't have a lot of shield. But it does go really quickly, so they will destroy our items. That's fine. A cool build, though. Obviously Submarine and Dam go pretty well together. Definitely going to be diamond tier skills. When you crit reload. I feel like we have enough crit chance to justify it. And yeah, we definitely want to go ammo items here. See what we can fish for. Throwing knives is great here. We probably will just replace you. Just need some crit chance upgrades now. Bolter. Bolter's interesting, but too late for a pivot. Shield. Just put shield on double barrel. Just give us a little bit of survivability, but not really an enchant that we care for. We'd love to see Obsidian, we'd love to see crit. It's gonna be Void Colossus here. We kill him fast enough. And burning and charging a shield item could be pretty cool. Wow, straight figurehead. So we did get some reload off there. Definitely gonna go for a loot item. There's just no items I can think. Wanting. Yeah, we'll give it to that. The heal can go. I can't see that staying. Small items. Still getting silver tier stuff. So like we should be able to get the amulet upgrade. But I mean honestly, if I don't get it, I might just switch it out for the grenade. Just having another instance of doing more damage could be more valuable. Yeah, we'll go for bronze tier items here. Crit is great. Weapon damage, crit chance, reload. Crit chance is gonna be on probably the double barrel. The grenade's going back in, but definitely on you. Crit chance is great. Don't really care. The rest of you just get some regen, I guess. Might make a difference. Yeah, I think we're gonna be putting that in there. Give us a little bit of extra damage. We won't have any crit. But, just hoping that we kill them fast enough, basically.
I may be young for a captain, but I've seen
See how we go.
storms.
Not seeing any shield, but it is a lot of health. Wow, that is a really cool build. He's going to get a lot of regen, right? Are we critting enough? Yeah, we definitely kill him. Do we? Do we kill him? We don't. Wow. That was extremely lucky, and I think we lose because of it now. That's hilarious. Just a giga regen build. I mean, it hurts, but especially when it's running a loop. That's basically the counter to our build, is just sustain. Just extreme sustain. Slow. Don't really care for it. I'm gonna put this in here just in the hopes that we get... Nah, we didn't get crit.
This is why I wear red, so the crew won't see me bleed.
I know it's a rare pull, but I wanted to try it. I mean, you're just better, so take you. Everything else can go. Unlikely to crit. The grenade is the most likely, and even then, it's not going to crit all the time. Should we? It'd be really funny. I don't think so. Unfortunately. Well, we have to win now. Go for free loot item. Love to see... Cooldown's fine. Nothing else really affects us there. We get the level up anyway, so I think we want to try for parting shot. It would just maybe ensure that we get the reload, just so something like that doesn't happen again. We'll see. We didn't pull it, unfortunately. We still get the level up. We get the upgrade. Do we? We sold it. We don't want to upgrade it though. Take some gold tier skills here. Use a non-weapon item. We don't use non-weapon items. Building crescendo.
Every coin goes back to our community. We Sphinxians thank you.
So we got building crit now. It's definitely gonna be you. Give us a lot more damage. Yeah. Give us like 35 more damage. Let's see if we can go against Comfy Ethan. I don't know if we'll win. But we got a good upgrade, which was building crescendo, which will hopefully guarantee our reload. Is that a burning? I knew it was a fiery Javelin drum, man. Use a weapon. Oh, he's got the infinite yo-yos. And we slow. Wow. We weren't critting yet either. Well, pretty standard ammo build. Just kind of fell off at the end when we couldn't get any really good upgrades for it. If we lasted long enough, building crescendo would have been great. Would have lasted for a little bit longer. Would have been nice to see an upgrade for the amulet so we could have actually triggered flashy reload. But yeah, it was super easy to get all the things we wanted for that build, which is why it's so strong as well. But anyway, yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye, see you in the next one.